Citroen Berlingo fan heater replacement. Removing the fan heater. Fan is located on the driver's side and is held in place by 4 screws, one at the back, one at the front, one at this side and one round the back side over here. The resistor unit for the fan is located just above the accelerator pedal at the back. To remove the fan heater, take out the panel underneath and then remove the fascia panel, which just unclips at the side here, and take that out completely. If you then undo this little star screw, you've just got enough room to wiggle this panel so that you can get the fan back into position. Refitting the fan is quite simply putting it back in, reconnect the connector, and away you go.